How do you reset this maintenance indication here on the Mercedes? So, it's like this. This Mercedes here has a push button start. So, without pressing the brake, we'll come here, give it a first touch here to turn on the post key, right? First touch the ignition here. It will bring up this panel here. We'll do the following. We have to set it to the odometer position. So, either we navigate, right, to set it to the odometer position, or we press the return button, hold it here in the return position, and it will always go to the odometer position. Here, we'll press the phone call button and OK. Some models require you to press the call and hang up button in addition to OK. In this car here, it's just these two, look, so press both at the same time and hold. It will bring up this menu. We navigate here to the assist and press OK, and it will ask to turn on the ignition. So we'll press the ignition a second time without pressing the brake, so the car won't start. It will bring up this position here on the dashboard, and we press OK. It shows that there's no maintenance, right? It gives the warning. Press OK again. Here we can then navigate here to complete maintenance. It will show the open maintenance here, and we can confirm the maintenance. You can press OK. It will ask, has the maintenance been performed? Yes. It said OK here. Then it first indicates, look, that it won't be possible. I mean, if you reset it here, you can't go back, okay? So we come back to the position, confirm, press OK. OK. It's reset. If we go back to the menu, we'll see that it opened a workshop position here, which was exactly the command we made. If we exit here, we can't go back, only by giving that command here again. We can go here to Maintenance, Assist Plus, look, it's reset. That is, it will indicate that it needs maintenance only in 10,000 years.